every AI question you ask is answered by a data center that has to be physically powered. In Ireland, those buildings already eat more than 1/5 of the country's electricity. In the US, they're driving half the growth in demand. But the grids carrying it weren't built for this. Capital moves in months. The grid moves in years. By 2040, the world needs to add or replace 80 million kilometres of power lines, the size of the entire global grid built all over again. The real bottleneck isn't cables, it's engineers to plan, permit, and design it. A handful of global firms have spent a decade quietly buying that capacity up. WSP is now the biggest in the US after it bought 8,000 of those engineers in a single $3.3 billion deal in February. Build-outs at this scale rarely run smoothly, but the firms doing the actual work are worth watching.